Hello everybody, Alex with you, and I'm very glad to see you on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install the best and most popular software to develop a Java application, and this is IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, let's open up the browser and write IntelliJ IDEA. Here you can find the official website, JetBrains, and also download page. Let's follow the link. Here at the top you can find different operating systems such as Windows, macOS or Linux. I'll choose mine. And also on the page you can find two versions of this software. The first one is Ultimate and the second one is a bit below and a bit hidden. It's Community Edition. The Ultimate version is more powerful, but it's free only for 30 days. The Community Edition version is free, and actually it will be enough at least for this course. So I'm gonna to download and install exactly this version. Let's wait a bit. And we're ready to install it. Let's click. And we need just to drag it to Applications folder. Okay, now we can open Launchpad. And it should appear. Yes, it's here. And let's start it. Open. And now we're ready to create our new project. So, if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching and all the best. See you soon.